Hey guys, so today I am in my 2016 Infiniti Q50 Redsport. I am just about to reach 70,000 kilometers. And for the first time I have an engine light code coming up. So we are going to diagnose it and see if we can fix it. All right, so with the engine off, we are just going to see what the issue is. I am EQ Tech tuned, so it comes with the Bluetooth dongle. It's pretty useful tool. You don't really need a code reader. Okay, so let's see what this is. All right, so absolute pressure, barometric pressure. So it looks like this is an issue with the MAP sensor, not to confuse with the MAF sensor. So I'm going to find a spot where I can park and see if we can figure this out. All right, guys, so in my case, the sensor is located right next to the turbo intercooler, kind of between there. I am not sure if it's the same setup for the guys with the 3.7 or the 2.0T, but I would assume you could probably find that information on one of the forums for your car. I apologize for the dirty engine bay, but this is a car being driven during Canadian winter, and there is no point cleaning the engine bay. Will get dirty literally the next day. So it looks like this is wrapped with some kind of electrical tape. I'll try to remove this thing. I think the easiest way would be to take out this this bolt here. Look like maybe a 10 mil. All right. All right, so I'm gonna try my best to film and do this at the same time, but it seems pretty straightforward. It's actually in there pretty solid, so okay, look like it came out pretty quickly actually. Oh, no, I was wrong. Looks like it needs a little bit more wrenching there. Okay, sorry, went a little out of focus there. Okay, looks like something else is holding it. Okay, perfect. It looked like actually snapped it. Wow. Infinity quality, guys. With just a little hand tool. Alright, we'll figure this out. So I don't know if you guys can see it from the video, but yeah, the sensor is definitely dirty. Has a little bit of oil on it, which is not good. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean it up, put it back in, and hopefully that could clear the code. But on a later day when I have more time, I'm probably going to look at my intakes and all that to make sure there is no oil in the system, because yeah, I'm not sure this should be this dirty. All right, so we'll just use I'm just going to use this for now. I'm not going to use some chemicals on it. Give it a good wipe and put it back in and see if it works. All right, guys, so it is done. I would say apart from the bolt snapping, obviously this was a pretty quick and easy job. I did put some electrical tape around the wires. I didn't like how exposed they were. So for now, I just put some tape until I can fix that broken bolt. But the sensors seem to hold pretty well, I guess because of that O-ring too. So when you push it back, you'll hear a little click. I guess that tells you that everything is good to go. So now we're gonna fire up the engine and see if that did the trick. Hopefully it worked. All right, guys, let's see if that did the trick. Well, doesn't look like the engine code's gone. No, it's still there. So unfortunately, in this case, cleaning the map sensor didn't work. So it looks like I may have to replace the sensor altogether. But I hope this video will help you at least know how to locate and remove the sensor and be able to clean it or replace it. And I will drive the car a little bit. Hopefully that will help clear the code. And if not, I'll just look for another sensor. The dealership locally quoted me $170 Canadian. So we'll try that. And from my reading, if that doesn't work, if you still have the code after replacing the sensor, it could be a vacuum leak. So hopefully that's not the case, but we'll keep you posted. Anyway, enjoy the video, guys, and talk to you soon. Bye.